Hello everyone, it's Brian again. We are live trading the USD yen. It is October 4th, 2017. We just got in short at 570. The reason being, it's already gone below 500 twice today. It's in a downward trend. It's definitely going to be going lower. So we're following right now. We have a few moving averages on the chart. The blue is the 14-day or 14 moving average. The red is the 20. We have light blue, which is a exponential 20. The yellow is the 50, and up top is the 200. This is the, where are we? Okay. This is the 15-minute chart, and it's just starting to break. It's trying to break through the moving average. And it's we just got in a few minutes ago, so we're going to give it a little bit of time. And the reason we're looking for just a 5-pip move is for every $5,000 in the account, we trade one lot. So by trading one lot, a 5-pip move is a $50 move. So if we can make $50 on a $5,000 account, that's 1%. 1% a day is 20% a month. So we're very, very conservative. We don't need to make 30, 40 pips a day. We're looking to make 5 pips. If we can make 10 pips, that's great. We're looking to make 20 to 30% a month. I put a stop loss in at 770, 20 pips above our entry price. The only reason we've never let it go for a 20 pip loss. We're going to see how it goes. If it goes against us, let's say 10 to 12 pips, we can look to get out at that time. We don't like to hold on to losing trades, but we've got a very, very successful rate, 80 to 90% doing this type of scalping. Looking for a 5-pip move, sometimes normally around 90%. So just going to give it a little bit of time right now, and it will be going through 500, but we're just looking to make sure that we can get our 5 pips. If we want to change it to bring it lower than 500, we can always look to do that. Anyway, glad to see everyone, or not everyone, a few people have joined us live today. Sorry for the late notice, but as you know, I follow the markets every day, all day long, but I never know when I'm going to be getting into a certain trade. So I've been following this one for a little while. At least I gave everybody about a 30-minute notice that we would probably be doing a trade in this. So who's joined us? Patrick, hello, how are you? And let's see, Marianne has joined us also, a few others. So for right now, it's slowly trying to get into our target price, but all we can do is wait it out, watch it as I normally do. And anybody who wants to have our free Forex Signals trial, it's for 2 months. You can sign up for free. Just open up an account with Tickmail, and you can copy my trades. This is just a bonus that when we have our live seminars every day, it's just a bonus that if you want to actually learn a little bit as far as trading goes, you can watch me and I can show you how to do it. But regardless of whether you're following me or not, you're still going to get the trades copied. Every trade that I do, the same price, you're going to be able to get into it as well. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pause it for a little bit. I'll keep watching the market and we'll join it when it's starting to get a little bit nearer our target price. Okay, see you later. Okay, we're back. The price is coming down a little bit closer to our take profit. As I said, to recap, we are short at 570, the USD yen. Right here at 570, we have a take profit just at 5 pips at 520. So we're about halfway there, and just going to give it a little bit of time here. Once we get out at 520, if it can push back up to the 570 range, we'll probably look to get back in again. It depends if once it goes through 500, it could be headed easily towards 400, but it could be kicking back and forth between 450, 600. So we'll have to see how it's going to trade. So getting a little bit closer. You can visit my website at scalpforexsignals.com, and you can sign up for the free trial, 2-month free trial of all my signals. You can get the trade copier. All you have to do is set up an account with Tickmill, and every day, once a day at least, you can watch me live trading the Forex markets, and I'll answer any questions you guys have as well. Okay, it's pulling back a little bit, but we're just it's going to be bouncing around a little bit here. The red line right here is the 200 moving average. So we've broken through that. This is only the 1-minute time chart. So at least we've broken through that. Let's see where else we are. Okay. This is the 5-minute chart we're about to break through. As I said earlier, we're definitely going below 500 again. It's traded down to not quite 400 yet today, but it's gone through hard twice, down to 450 both times. So we just want to get it at 520. That'll be good enough for us for right now. If I were to be a little bit more aggressive, I would have done 2 trades at 570. Got one out at 520 and held the other one. But if we get it at 520, we can always look to get back in again. Remember, 5 pips a day, that's all we need. That'll give us 1% a month, 1% a day. That'll give us a 20% per month return. And remember, this is a very conservative strategy. The maximum loss we will take in a position is 10 to 15 pips. Don't even really like to take a 15 pip loss. I'd rather cut it. If it looks like it's going against us, we just look to get out. That's it. Okay, we're back again. It's starting to get closer to 520 to our take profit for our 5 pips. So it's just been bouncing back and forth. And let's see if we can finally get to 520. Okay, we're back, and we're still struggling to get to the 520. It still doesn't really want to get there. It's between around 530 and 545, just in that little range. This is the 1-minute chart, so you can see that it doesn't take a long time. We've been in this trade for, let's see, around less than 30 minutes. I'll check the exact time after. But still pushing the 520. I don't really want to just take a profit because it's a very, very small take profit at 5 pips. So there's no point really taking 4 or 3 pips on this trade because we're not looking for it to go below 500. We're just looking for it to hit 520. We got taken out at 520. So obviously there's going to be some resistance, a little bit more resistance at the 500 level, but getting through 520 shouldn't be a problem. And it doesn't really matter, even if we have to wait an hour for it, that's fine. The main thing is we'll get there. I think one more push, we're at 530. One more push through 520 will get us out. Okay, and we are back. We finally broke through the 520, and we got our 5 pip move. We got a 5 pip profit on that, and there's going to be a little bit of resistance at 500. As I said, I have another account where my take profit is 470. So if it breaks through 500, we're probably going to see 470. That's a more conservative, a more aggressive account. This is the conservative account that I use for most of my clients. It is the account where we look to make 5 pips per trade. And even if it's only one trade per day, 5 pips with a $5,000 account trading one lot. One lot 5 pip move is $50, and $50 on 5,000 is 1%. 1% a day gives us 20% a month. And that's our goal, and that's what we're shooting for, between 20 to 30% per month with very conservative scalping strategies. So if you want, you can check out my website, scalpforexsignals.com. Look for the free trial. It'll give you 2 months to copy my trades, and you'll be able to join our webinars every day, and you'll see me trading live in action, and you can follow my techniques. So good night. If my clients out there, if I'm going to be signing back in and trading again tonight, I will send you an email to give you the link. Right now it's around 6 o'clock p.m. Manila time, 6 a.m. New York time. So New York's going to be opening. We'll see what type of movement is out there. But for now, good night, and we'll see you later. Thanks.